Hello everyone and welcome to this new video about applying and modify an Oplà IoT kit template in IoT Cloud. So, if you want to get started fast with your Arduino Oplà IoT kit, template are what you need. These are pre-built projects that you can load into your Arduino Cloud to get your Oplà doing something great within minutes. It's a fantastic way to learn, so this is a good option for Arduino newcomers too. Let's take a look. So the first thing is to go to the Arduino IoT Cloud application and select the template section. And let's choose one, for example, remote controlled light. Okay, here we can see the description. And the first thing that we need to do is to click on Import Template. Okay, let's click on Next. Let's detect our device that is inside our kit. Let's click on Configure. Let's give a meaningful name. And here we have the first step, that is the provisioning of the device, which is done by uploading a specific sketch, which is done the provisioning step of the configuration. We are going to check the Wi-Fi module as well in order to see if we need some upgrade. Now we can configure the Wi-Fi credentials. In this case, we have already assembled the hardware. And here you go. All the components needed for the templates are creating. The pre-built sketch is compiling, and the final step is the upload. Okay, looks that we are done. So as you can see here, we have a fully working dashboard with just a few clicks. So let's try if it works. First of all, let's choose one color, controlling this color widget. Let's switch on the blink RGB LED. And as you can see, the LED is blinking. So let's try to change the blink speed and maybe add a nice circle animation. So, as you just see, it was super easy. So, thanks for watching.